rock on high school. Well, I don't care about history. Rock on high school. 'Cause that's not where I wanna be. Rock on high school. I just wanna have some kicks. I just wanna get some chicks. Rock on high school.
In order to graduate, students in these grades will need to earn a 25.5 total credits. Of those 25.5 credits, you will need to earn the following number of credits in the following core areas. English, 4 credits. You will need to take 1 per year. Social Studies, 3.5 credits. You're required to take or have taken the following: World History in 9th grade, U.S. or AP U.S. History in 10th grade, American Government or AP Government and Economics or AP Macroeconomics in 11th grade. World Studies or AP Human Geography in 12th grade. For math, you need 3 credits. You're required to take or have taken the following: Geometry, Algebra 2, 1 additional credit beyond Algebra 2. It is recommended that all students complete 4 years of math. Science, you need 3 credits. You're required to take or have taken the following: Physics or Physics X, Chemistry or Chemistry X, Biology or AP Biology. It is recommended that all students complete a 4th year of science. 2 credits of a world language, 2 credits of personal wellness, which will be a semester-long class at each grade level. 1 credit of fine arts, which can be included in music. 0.5 credit of a capstone course, which students will take either their junior or senior years. By completing the graduation requirements in the core areas, students will earn 19 credits. The remaining credits you earn will count as electives. When you add the core and elective credits, you will need to have earned a total of 25.5 credits. In addition to the credits, students must pass 3 MCA2 graduation tests administered by the state of Minnesota. Those tests are reading, writing, and math.
A capstone is a course that you choose because it's already a special interest for you. In this class, you will have the chance to help determine specific topics to study or investigate. You will also take an active part in deciding how to proceed with your topic and how to present the information. This is your chance to develop a proposal, follow a process, develop a product, and make some type of presentation about something important to you. A capstone is the result of a series of classes in which you gradually increase your learning with a specific focus. You must have a sequence of an introductory class, an intermediate class, and then a capstone class, all in the same academic area. It's important that you understand which prerequisites are necessary before you can take your capstone. The registration manual clearly shows which prerequisite classes will lead to the various capstone options.
Capstone will be what you make it. You will develop a proposal, follow a process, develop a product, and make some kind of public presentation. Some of the examples of what you may do are internships, mentoring, research, developing a product, publishing, demonstrations, exhibits, and presenting real solutions for community and global problems.
The idea you plan, organize, implement, and then present is a required part of the capstone course. It will be a major portion of the class. All students are required to complete at least 1 half-credit capstone course in order to graduate. For capstone courses that are year-long classes, the capstone will be met in the 2nd semester of the course. Some students will have more than 1 capstone course. Please keep in mind that every capstone course involves a major plan or project to be completed. Everyone taking the capstone course must complete all requirements for the course, including the major project. Because these capstone requirements involve a great deal of thought, commitment, and time, you will want to carefully schedule your classes. Just because you can take 4 or 5 capstone classes doesn't mean that you have the time or resources to do all of them in 1 semester.
Let's look at a couple capstone examples.
I'm Dan Esping. Well, what I'm doing for my project is I'm building a pair of headphones that'll help people with different ear deformities or with a loss of ear from battle, veterans type of thing, and create something that's comfortable for everybody to use with just regular in-ear headphones. And you can just put those right inside this headphone apparatus, I guess. Right now I'm busy designing the general outline for the project, and then I've got to get a mentor and talk specifically if what chemicals to use for different things, or how I can use different materials to maximize performance. So that's most likely Starkey. I know Mr. Jacobs got a connection there, so I'm looking at talking to them.
I'm Matthew Knowles.
I'm Josh Soderland, senior.
And I'm Dan Dromello. And we did a community service project for our capstone this year. Do you want to talk a little bit about that? I sure can. This year, for our marketing practicum class, we did a community service project. We put on the Chaska Turkey Trot event, which is a charity 5K run and walk that raises money for the Muscular Dystrophy Association and the End Polio Now campaign. Something that we did this year that was different from other years is that we partnered with the Chaska Rotary Club, and they really brought a lot of resources and a lot of capital to really increase the success of the event this year.
And this year, the Turkey Trot was the most successful it's been in the history, and the net income surpassed 11,000.
Yeah.
And it's from sponsorships from local businesses and the Chaska Rotary.
To best prepare you for a post-high school program, it is recommended that you take the following number of credits over a 4-year high school career: 4 credits of English, 4 credits of mathematics, 3 credits of social studies, 4 credits of science. Keep in mind that more colleges would like to see a student take physics, 2 credits of world languages of the same language, and 1 credit of arts.